Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and guess what? We're back with another how to create upcycled puppets, or how to take a machine toy and turn them into a puppet, or how to take a stuffed animal and turn it into a puppet. All that to stall because here we've got Mickey Mouse. That's right, we're going to take this mechanical toy of Mickey Mouse and we're going to turn it into a puppet. I'm going to take my time on this because I have not yet checked the batteries on this, so we're going to have some fun with this one. Go ahead and get a cup of coffee if you really want to, or move on to the next video, but I'm telling you, this is going to be a good one. So here we go. We're going to start off with putting batteries. Now this is one of those, leave it to Disney, this is one of those that requires 2 sets of batteries. I have to put them in, and each foot has a battery chamber, okay? So I have no idea. Are you joking? Oh my goodness, what? I think there's like 3 on each side. Hang on a second. I'm hoping I have enough of those. I do. Okay. Holy smoke. 3 on each side. This better be a good toy here. Okay, so here we go. We're going to have 3 on each side. I'm going to have to break open. These are the Dollar Tree junk batteries, but they are handy when you need a lot of batteries. They have like, what, 10 batteries, or excuse me, 8 plus 2 batteries for the price of $1. Yeah. You'd think it'd be more, but the batteries only last for about 2 minutes. So there we go. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last. You know what I'm going to do is grab one of the. I know we're not supposed to mix, but you know what? I don't have anymore. I think I left it in one of the other gimmicks. So we're going to grab that extra battery right there. Okay. We're going to have 6 batteries here. Wow! 6 batteries. They are crazy there at Disney. Okay, so there's 1. There's 2. There's 3. Okay. And I will even go so far as to put the little battery compartment trap door on, because I don't know how fancy this thing's going to get. Dancing and stuff. There's some sort of wheels on the feet. The wheels on the feet go round and round, by the way, guys and gals. Okay, so here we go. There's another space for another one way down there. Okay, so and this is a crapshoot. I could be wasting time right now doing all this, but it's worth it because it's Mickey Mouse. Okay, so here we go. There's one there and one right there. Okay. Put the trap door on this one. I'm waiting for it. I'm waiting for it. These are fresh batteries, so I know they should work, but I'm waiting for it because you know what happens. You know what happens when you expect something, it doesn't necessarily work. Okay. Good news. It was in the off position, so here we go. Okay. Let's make a shot here. Whoa! Okay, I'm just holding your hands there, okay? Whoa! A dance party! Come on! Dance! Dance! Maybe I have to start him. Dance! Dance! Come on. Come on, you can dance, party. Whoa. Okay, dance. Let's go. Dance. Dance. Is it one of those things that you have to make noise? Dance party. Come on. Come on, Mickey.
Mickey Mouse is in the house.
Okay. Come on, Mickey. What do you got to do? Okay, is it... Does he move his mouth? I couldn't see. Hold on a second. Hang on. Oh. It's a dance party. Let's dance. Come on. For Pete's sake. Come on. Oh, there. I'm ready. Here we go.
Come on and dance. Oh, yeah. I'm hippin' and hopping. Yeah.
He's hipping and hopping. I don't see it. I just see his hands wiggle.
Everybody dancing. Clap your hands. Go, Mickey. Go, Mickey. Shake that house potato. The mouse is in the house. Go, Mickey. Go, Mickey. It's a birthday. It's a birthday. Woo! I'm still in dog. I still got it.
He still got it. Woo!
That's right. Move.
All right.
And it don't stop. And it don't stop. That's right.
Woo! Okay. Is that it? You got more? Hang on. Here we go.
Okay, everybody.
Okay.
Time to play. Mickey says.
Mickey says.
Can you feel the beat? Oh, yeah.
Can you feel the beat?
Come on. Mickey says.
Mickey says what?
Reach for the sky. That's right. Mickey says. Wave your arms.
Oh, I was doing that.
Mickey says. Clap your hands. That's right. Can I get a hey yo? Mickey says. Dance. The mouse is in the house. Work it and work it.
I'm working it.
Get your mouse to dance going. Mickey says. Disco point.
Disco point.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Ha ha ha! Yes.
Say Mickey says.
Okay.
Mickey says.
Mickey says.
Freestyle.
What? Freestyle?
Thanks for playing, pal. That was real smooth.
That was freestyle. All right. Nice. Okay. What else does Mickey do? I might keep him too. Okay, what does Mickey do?
Stop right there.
Okay, I'm stopping.
Is it cold in here? Or is it time for a freeze dance?
A what dance?
Are you ready? When I say go, dance to the music.
Okay.
When I say stop, you freeze in place.
Nice.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Go!
All right.
Hold it. Don't move. Double time. Go! Turn up. That's right.
It's tough.
Not yet. Triple time.
Oh no!
Christine.
No!
Boy, thanks for playing, pal.
Oh,
Stay classy.
stay classy. Okay. Do I dare try again? Let me see what else he does. Okay.
Okay, everybody. It's time to play. Mickey says.
You did that already.
Can you feel the beat? Oh yeah. Come on. Mickey says.
Mickey says what?
Wave your arms.
Mickey, I did this already.
Mickey says. Clap your hands.
Okay.
That's right. Can I get a hey yo? Nope. I didn't say Mickey says.
Oh no!
Mickey says.
Yep.
Reach for the sky. That's right. Mickey says. Disco point.
Oh,
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Mickey says. Freestyle.
What?
Yeah.
Oh.
I got it.
Can't go any further.
Thanks for playing, pal.
All right.
Real smooth.
Woohoo! Well, you know what, guys? I've done it again. I have found another toy that there's no possible way I'm going to take this guy apart. I'm so sorry. I had so much fun. I hope you had fun too at the Mickey's Dance Party, because that's what we're going to call this now. It's the Mickey's Dance Party, and I'm telling you, there might be a part 2 for Mickey's Dance Party. Yes!
More dance in my step.
He's got more dance in his step. I'll tell you what, we're going to save him, and I'm going to have him come back as another guest star at another time, and we're going to have another ball. I might even bring some friends along for that one. So thanks, Mickey, for all this fun we had today. I want to thank you guys for joining us. For those of you who've been with us before,
Later, pal.
thank you, Mickey. I call you a pal, too. For those of you who have been with us before, this was a first. We had a dance party. All right. And for those of you who are seeing this for the first time, I apologize. This was our first dance party, so we're just going to have to assume that you just enjoyed it. But please feel free to subscribe if you think that was fun. And I am the DIY Magician. I'm saying that with a question because this is a first. But this is the DIY Magician. Until next time with Mickey's Dance Party. Woohoo! Bye-bye.